What if I told you that YouTube automation is not passive income, but when done right, it can become one of the most powerful online businesses? In this video, I'll break down how YouTube automation really works, what most people get wrong, and how beginners can do it the right way. Welcome back to Automate to Earn, the channel where we break down real online income systems using automation and AI. If you're new here, consider subscribing, because today we're exposing the truth about YouTube automation. Let's clear up the biggest myth. YouTube automation is not uploading random videos and waiting for money. YouTube automation means running a YouTube channel without showing your face, outsourcing or automating, script writing, voiceovers, video editing. You are the manager, not the worker. Automated YouTube channels make money in 4 main ways. 1. YouTube AdSense. 2. Affiliate marketing. 3. Sponsored content. 4. Selling digital products. AdSense is just the first layer. Real money comes from combining methods. Here's what nobody tells you. Automation still requires research strategy, quality control, consistency. Channels fail when people rush low-quality videos, choose the wrong niche, copy without originality. Automation does not mean no effort, it means smart effort. Some niches work better than others. Proven automation niches: finance and money, facts and education, motivation, AI and technology, luxury and business stories. Avoid copyrighted content and trending drama. Those get channels killed. Here's how AI helps automate YouTube today. Tools used by automated channels: ChatGPT, scripts and ideas, 11 Labs, voiceovers in video AI, Pictory, video creation, Canva, thumbnails. AI doesn't replace creativity, it multiplies it. Here's a simple workflow. 1. Research video ideas. 2. Write scripts using AI. 3. Create AI voiceovers. 4. Assemble video visuals. 5. Design high CTR thumbnails. 6. Upload, optimize, repeat. Consistency beats perfection. Most people fail because they expect fast money, quit too early, copy low-quality content, ignore analytics. Automation rewards patience and process. If you want to build real income systems using automation and AI, you're in the right place. This is Automate to Earn. Like this video, subscribe for weekly automation strategies, comment automate if you want a full YouTube automation checklist. See you in the next video.